good, YouTube? Y'all already know what's going on. It's Miss GermanyBadd with the 2 D's. I'm the people's favorite unicorn mermaid princess, and I'm here with King Giari. And if y'all want to see how I got my baby hair looking all nice like this, stay tuned.
City shooters been away now, my nigga. Yeah. City shooters been away.
Now, I did not just wash his hair. As y'all can see, it is very much raw. Okay, we finna raw dog it today. He got school tomorrow, and we ain't got time to be shampooing at the moment. Okay, so when you being lazy like that, your baby say he don't feel like getting his hair done, you want to unravel them up, get them roots nice and wet. Okay, nice and wet. You really want it like soaking wet. Like, I'm talking about as wet as you could get it. Okay? And since we starting with these ones, we're going to get it real wet. Get these ones real wet. Nice and wet. Then, we need oil. Okay? Whole lot of it. When you're not washing it and you being lazy, you gotta use a whole lot of product, okay? Product when it meaning product meaning water and oil, okay? We like the water and we like the oil. The water and the oil. Boom. Nice. You want to focus on the roots when you oiling it. Putting the water up there. Focus on the roots. Then we go down the length of the locks. Boom. Real easy. Real simple. Get a whole lot more oil. Rub it up there. We want a whole lot of oil. Not just a little bit. Not just a little bit. Whole lot. Boom. This part of the process is going to be real easy. Because you really just loving on the locks. You really just loving on them. Like that. Show them a little love. Get that oil in there. And you don't want to be lazy with this part of it. Since we already being lazy with not shampooing it, you don't want to be lazy with this part of it. Now, we really want this. We finna part this whole section because we lazy and we like to be quick about stuff. So let's just get this section out the way when it comes to the parts. Part it up real good. Normally we would part up this whole section, but my baby got to make his phone call to his friend so they could play. What y'all finna play? Roblox. So I gotta just do it this way. Okay. We gonna get this out the way. Boom. Now, we want to get all these parts together because we finna do the little crisscross thing, and you want your parts to look real good. Or as good as you can get them. You know, we being a little lazy, but...
Mommy?
Yes, baby?
Could I have some play games?
Yes, in a second though, okay, baby? So we're going to do all 4 of these at once, okay? So what you want to do is, that's why you got to make sure... Stop moving so much, baby. That's why you got to make sure that your parts is real already done. Because we're going to do all 4 of these and then we're going to twist them up in that crisscross pattern that we going for. The parts got to be good or it ain't going to look like nothing. It's going to look like regular 2 strands. And we don't want that because we putting in more effort and we want it to look good. I'm sorry, baby. when you put in more effort, you want it to look better, right? And so that's what we finna.
Ow.
Sorry, Fatty. When y'all doing kids' hair, you can use scissors if y'all want, so that it don't hurt their little scalps. Their little baby scalps. But my baby a gangster. So boom, we're gonna take this first one out of the 4. Sometimes I use a comb, sometimes I like to use this. This is a good tool, really. It makes it so nice and smooth. Y'all see how smooth that is? We get a little lock gel, just a little bit. Slide it up there. Give it one little twist before we... What is this technique called again? Locksmith, okay? So in order to locksmith, you brush it like how I just brushed it or comb it. Give it one twist. And with all this hair that's up here, y'all see all that hair? We want all that hair to be in there nice and tight. So you want to do the locksmithing technique. You grab it with your hand like this. You roll it around and you use your thumb to be the circular motion, to close up that circular motion. I hope y'all can see that. But y'all see what's happening? And it's keeping that hair up there. We want this root up here to be nice and strong. You don't want to take all this hair and pull it down. You want to keep it where it's at. And in order to do that, you got to use the locksmithing technique. Y'all see that circular motion that I got going on? And look what's happening to all that hair. It's getting rolled up right in there. See that? And you can go down as much as you want. But it really don't matter because down here, we just going boom, boom, boom. Okay? We got that. We're going to give it a little twist to hold it for now. Okay. Same thing with these ones. Let's add a little more water. I told y'all that water is very important. It's vital to the style. Okay? Same thing with this one. We're going to grab it. Use your comb or your brushy brush. I like to use this sometimes. Sometimes I use a comb. This is just like, I don't know. It's just better for some reason. You grab a little bit of your gel or whatever it is that you want to use. Then you do it. We're going to give it one spin like that. Now we got all this hair. Y'all see all that hair? What we're going to do with that is we're going to do our locksmithing technique. Boom, 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 thumb, fingertips, thumb, fingertips. And go in that circular motion. You got to complete this whole circular motion or it ain't going to be right. Okay? With this hand, I'm just pulling the lock down. This hand, I'm doing my circles. Circles, circles. Rest of it, boom. Okay? Give it a little twist to hold it. This hand, I'm just holding it. Boom. Twisty, twisty. Now, what we want to do is we doing some crisscross tings today. So this one gonna go with this one today. I normally don't go with this one. But you want them to go down. Y'all see that? And you don't want it too tight. When it's doing a little buckle, like for example, like this, when it's doing a buckle, that means it's too tight. And it's going to hurt your baby. You don't want to hurt your baby, so you want to loosen that up. If it's doing a buckle, you loosen it up. Boom. Then you just do your regular 2-strand. Hold up. Make sure that ain't going to be too tight. Then you just do your regular old 2-strand. Boom, 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 boom. And this is just the water and the oil and the product all mixing together. It will dry nice and beautifully smooth. Okay. Boom. Fold that end up like that. Take the end, fold the end up like that. Rubber band her. Okay? I hope y'all can see me rubber banding. I don't know if y'all can or not, but yeah. So we just rubber band in the end. Boom. Okay? That's cool. Now we take these two. That's buckling a little bit. That's buckling a little bit. Loosen it up. And go this way. Ooh, nice. Nice. too tight? You already put your head down and see if it's too tight. It's good? Good. Ooh, it looks so nice, Yari. Boom. Fold the end up like this. And rubber band it. Ooh, that looks so good. Let me turn you this way so they can really see what we got going on. Yes, y'all see? It looks so good. Okay, more.
Wait.
Oh, you so handsome. Oh, you so handsome.
Can I?
Oh my goodness, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Wait, I just want to show the back. Stay sitting like that. Give me a second. You're not done yet. Oh, you're so handsome.
I know.
You know? I'm glad you know.